Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is the Soldier from the Dead West set. They were black and white zenithally primed and get started with night blue for the jacket space coat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get the leather parts such as his boots and the backpack done with Death Reaper. For the trousers, I went with Gravestone blue as the base colour, just to get that blue tint that the artwork has. Getting his hair and the gloves done, I grabbed warm grey. The wooden parts now all get base coated with Argonaut skin. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets done with Plague Brown. Since I had this out, I added in the military details around the mini as well. Getting all of the skin done now, I went with Dead Flesh as the base colour. Moving on to the highlights, I used the Witching Hour blue to bring up all of the tops of the folds on the jacket, just leaving that darker tone in the shadows and recesses. For the trousers and the leather parts, I added in a highlight using Stonewall grey. Next up, I add a quick highlight to the wooden parts with Cork brown. Getting a highlight onto the skin and the gloves now, I used Grimy grey. Now onto the metal parts, I get started with plate armour over all of these silver parts. To bring up the gold details, I grabbed Glorious Gold and gave these a once over. Washing the Mini, I used Archaic Sepia wash over everything and just came back in afterwards to pick up all of the excess wash just so that it doesn't stain too much. The base, as usual, gets a once over of sandy desert texture added to it. Finishing up, I used Zombie Gore to add some blood effects across the Mini. And that will be it for the soldier. The blue is a little bit too vibrant compared to the artwork, but I don't mind that too much as it makes the Mini stand out on the tabletop more. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.